If you're trying to find old Prezi presentations, there's a good chance they're not actually gone at all. In many cases, they just look missing because the old editor no longer exists in the same way it used to. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to look, how to find those older classic presentations, and how to open them again in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Prezi Web Dashboard using the account that was originally used to create the presentations. This is important because if you sign in with the wrong account, you may think the files are missing when they're really just saved under a different login. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Prezi Present or Presentations, depending on what your account shows. This is where Prezi keeps your presentation library. After that, scroll through the thumbnails carefully. You'll often find that your older classic files are still there, sitting right alongside your newer modern projects. They may not be labeled the way you expect, so take your time and browse through the list. If you have a lot of presentations, scroll slowly and look for older titles, older dates, or thumbnails that match the project you remember. In some cases, the presentation may look like it can't be edited with the old interface, but that doesn't mean it's lost. Once you find the presentation you want to open, simply click the pencil icon or the edit option. That should take you into the editor and let you access the file again. If it still doesn't open right away, double check that you're in the correct dashboard area and that the file is part of your account. Also remember that older Prezi presentations can sometimes appear different from newer ones, but they are usually still recoverable from the main presentation list. So the key steps are simple. Log in, go to Prezi Present or Presentations, scroll through your thumbnails and use the pencil icon to edit the old file. That's the easiest way to locate older presentations that may have seemed missing at first. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.